Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This dictation is specially prepared for steno aspirants and candidates appearing for the senior scale stenographer examination. The speed of this passage is 100 words per minute. Get your notebooks ready, sit comfortably, maintain proper posture and focus on accuracy along with speed. We will begin in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. The court directed both parties to submit comprehensive financial affidavits detailing income, assets, liabilities, and monthly expenditures to enable fair assessment of maintenance obligations and prevent concealment or misrepresentation of financial capacity. Full stop. Another issue raised concerned allegations of domestic discord and emotional distress experienced by the parties. Full stop. The petitioner sought protective directions to prevent harassment or interference during pendency of proceedings, while the respondent denied any misconduct and expressed willingness to adhere to court imposed guidelines ensuring respectful communication. Full stop. The court observed that matrimonial proceedings often involved heightened emotions and therefore required clear boundaries and adherence to mutual respect. Full stop. Stanza. Interim directions were considered to facilitate peaceful interaction and to minimize conflict that could adversely affect the children's mental health. Full stop. The court encouraged both parties to consider alternative dispute resolution mechanisms, including counseling and structured mediation sessions aimed at exploring amicable settlement of issues relating to maintenance, custody, and division of responsibilities. Full stop. Counsel for both sides agreed to participate in mediation without prejudice to their legal rights. Full stop. The court noted that negotiated arrangements could offer flexibility and reduce adversarial tension, particularly where ongoing parental cooperation was necessary for upbringing of children. Full stop. Nevertheless, the court clarified that failure of mediation would not prevent adjudication on merits. Full stop. Considerable discussion took place regarding educational and medical expenses of the children, including tuition fees, extracurricular activities, and health care requirements. Full stop. Stanza. The petitioner sought immediate financial assistance to meet upcoming expenses, while the respondent requested detailed documentation before assuming additional obligations. Full stop. The court observed that children's welfare could not be compromised due to financial disputes between parents and directed interim sharing of essential expenses in proportion to disclosed income. Full stop. The court also emphasized the importance of maintaining stability and routine in the children's daily lives during pendency of proceedings. Full stop. After hearing submissions, the court reserved orders on interim maintenance and custody while directing parties to submit additional documents supporting their respective claims. Full stop. The registry was instructed to schedule mediation sessions through court-appointed counselors and to monitor progress of settlement discussions. Full stop. Stanza. The court clarified that interim arrangements would remain subject to modification based on evolving circumstances and welfare considerations. Full stop. Both parties were advised to avoid involving children in ongoing disputes and to refrain from making negative statements that could influence their perception or emotional development. Full stop. Before concluding the hearing, the court emphasized the importance of cooperative parenting and responsible conduct during litigation. Full stop. Observations were made regarding the need for mutual respect and avoidance of actions that could escalate conflict or prolong proceedings unnecessarily. Full stop. Counsel were directed to advise their clients on maintaining decorum during court appearances and communications. Full stop. The court noted that adversarial litigation should not overshadow shared parental responsibilities and that constructive engagement could help minimize emotional stress upon all parties, particularly the children who were most vulnerable to ongoing disputes. Full stop. The matter was adjourned for further hearing on a specified date with interim visitation rights granted to the respondent subject to mutually agreed schedules and supervision if required. Full stop.